Okay, I'm just going to show you the last function of Google Sites that would be important to know as you're creating your site. This is basically your settings and menu bar. So if you click this up here, you can see your revision history. So if you deleted a page accidentally, this would be a way to get back to it. Here you get emails for any change that is made to your page. You could do this if you're asking for student submissions and want to know when something is submitted. They'll send you an email. Page settings allows you to find settings for this particular page, the changing pages and site layout page. You can print, copy, or move the page, and also this is where you delete pages. This is especially helpful if you're doing pages per unit and you don't want to have so many pages. You can go back and delete them. This is a way to preview the page like a student would see it, so you can see exactly what the viewing appearance is. Down here you can save it as a page template, so if you want to reuse the same template over and over, you can do that. Here you can change the page template so that if you would like to go back and choose from a different template already set up, you can do that. Again here, any site changes, you can ask for emails to be sent to you. And then I am going to actually click on Edit Site Layout. So if I click on Edit Site Layout, I get these sidebars and navigations over here. I'm going to click on Navigation, and it says right here, automatically organize my navigation. That is what allows them to basically put your pages in order alphabetically and things like that over here. If you unclick it, you will actually get a list of all of your pages, I believe. You should get a list of all your pages. And what you will do then, here you can go here. So you can add all of your pages in. And so as I add these pages in, I'm going to see if I can add them all at once here. Starting your Google site, editing your pages, etc. So I'm going to add them all in. I'm just going to add a couple just to show you what you can do with this though. The next one, creating a new page. Okay, so if I for some reason, if you look up here, if I for some reason wanted this editing your pages to go under the starting your Google sites, I could actually click this arrow and make it a sub page of the page above. And then let's say creating a new page was something I wanted to start my site with. I could actually click the up arrow until it comes to the top here, so that this will be the first page that you see over on this left menu. I don't want to do that, but I could do it this way. Let's say I decided I didn't want this to be a sub page anymore. You just click the over arrow here. So this is a way to manually organize the appearance of your pages on the left side here from top to bottom, and which pages are sub pages under other pages. You also have the option to delete a page here, but obviously you don't want to do that unless you want to get rid of it completely. If you are fine with them just organizing your pages, you can actually just click automatically organize my navigation, and they will automatically organize it for you. And that's how the default is for Google. The other thing you can do here is close when you're done. Go back up to the settings menu and go down to manage site. This brings you actually to an overall site management page, kind of like a settings page. So you can look at all of your pages here. You can change your site name. Here you can just click and drag the pages. If you drag it under one, it will become a sub page. Otherwise, you can move it all the way down. So you can move your pages that way too. You can look at the attachments you've added to your different site. You can look at the page templates that you have used. And you can do sharing and permissions here. So you can allow students and parents to share. Currently mine is private access, so I need to change that, and I'm going to change it with anyone with a link. This is really important that you do this and not this if you're using it as your user staff website, so that all parents can also have access. Click Save. And you can also change the themes and colors down here as well, and this would be the link that you would share with your new Google site. So down here, themes and colors, you can change that for the entire site if you would like to do that. I don't need to do that. So to get back to your site, you either hit cancel or you could have hit that back left button here. The last thing here is sharing in permissions. You were just there with a managed site, but you can do it separately to just quickly get your link. If you click that, it brings you back to the same page. Control C copies your link, and you can paste it into any website or other area where you want to post your link for your site.